So you chose product design as a career. That's a smart move. But you notice there's a lot of content about UX, theory, and research, not so much about the visual side of design. That's good stuff, for sure, but it falls short when you want to create UIs that don't look like spreadsheets. So we decided to do something about it. Welcome to our program on how to create gorgeous UIs. We're here to take you from okay design to great design. While we understand that the why is important, we're all about the how to get a functional UI into something you would actually want to look at. Cool thing is that while I'm your main instructor, there's a whole team who will help you on your learning adventure.
One of the main things we'll talk about is colors. They are not just pretty, they are essential. They are magical. We'll get into the rainbow.
Hey, Mariana. Now, same thing, but less energy.
Colors, they matter. We'll talk about them.
What I love is that in this course, we're going to cover a ton of stuff, like alignment, wireframing, prototyping.
Learning new things can be difficult, but don't worry, the team will guide you through your journey patiently, because we all know patience can be rare.
What? I'm totally patient.
Right. Anyway, we'll focus on learning all the cool tricks from the pros.
Type scales, color theory, responsive design, overlays, shading, grid systems.
Imagine tackling complex real-world projects and crafting beautiful and pleasing UI components with engineering, comprehensive user flows.
Mariana likes doing cool animations.
Yeah, I love cool and silly animations.
Sizing, proportions, gradients, basic rules of fonts.
We're wrapping up.
Oh, but there's still so much more.
By the end, you'll be designing interfaces that are not only usable, but also look great. So that's it. Join us if you're ready to elevate your UI design, going from not just good and functional, but great and gorgeous.
Yo,